Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I will show you how to manage your Google passwords on your OPPO A79. Firstly, to do that we need to go to the Google Chrome, where we press three dots on the right corner. Now Settings and Password Manager. And there we have some option when we press this gear icon, which we can turn on or turn off as offer to save passwords, singing automatically passwords alerts. But if we go back, there we have some passwords which our OPPO remember, in this case to our Messenger, Twitter and Xiaomi accounts, and we can manage it by tap there. Now we must enter our lock screen, and after that we can copy our email, copy our passwords or add note. And if we press this eyes icon, our OPPO show us password which remember to our Messenger account. We can delete it by delete and confirm delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.